Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring GeForce Experience and the latest Nvidia driver are installed. This gives you the overlay and highlights. Once done, sign into GeForce Experience and open Settings. Make sure in-game overlay is toggled on because highlights requires that service to run. If the overlay does not appear, restart the app or your PC to clear driver hooks. These steps register Fortnite with Nvidia's capture system, so the software can detect matches and generate highlights automatically. Next, you configure both Fortnite and GeForce to talk to each other. In Fortnite settings, enable highlights so the game marks events for capture. Then open GeForce Experience overlay, go to Highlights and choose Fortnite. Pick which events to save such as kills and wins, and set resolution and clip length. Make sure save locations have enough free space, otherwise clips won't be written. Adjust quality down if you want smaller files. These settings control what gets recorded and why specific moments are kept. Finally, you must verify everything works by playing a short session to trigger a highlight. Action like eliminations or a win should prompt a saved clip. Once done, open GeForce Gallery or the Highlights section to review saved videos and trim or export them. If clips aren't appearing, make sure the overlay has permissions. Fortnite is listed in GeForce, and any antivirus or file system permission isn't blocking writing. Reinstalling GeForce Experience or rolling back drivers can result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.